Hello students, today we will discuss some numericals based on concentration terms. First numerical is calculate the molarity and normality of a solution containing 5 gram of NaOH in 450 ml of solution. Means in case of solution, there is a solution, you took 450 ml of it, and in this much solution you have 5 gram of NaOH dissolved. This is the situation here, and you have to calculate molarity and normality. Means you have to express concentration of this solution in terms of molarity and normality. That's it. So given is there is 5 gram of NaOH in 450 ml of solution. Okay, first of all we know that for molarity we need to, what is molarity? Number of moles of solute, and solute is here NaOH, divided by volume of solution in liter. This is the formula for molarity. It means you need solute in moles and solution volume in liter. Okay, so number of moles in 5 gram of NaOH. How you calculate number of moles? Given mass by molar mass, and NaOH has 40 gram of molar mass. Okay, so 5 by 40 it comes out to be 0.125 moles. It means 5 gram of NaOH has 0.125 moles. Okay, and the volume of solution given is 450 ml. 450 ml means 0.450 liter, because you have to convert milliliter to liter by dividing it by 1000. Okay, so molarity क्या आ जाएगी? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स 0.125 मोल्स डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूशन इन लीटर कितना आ गया? 0.450 लीटर. दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 0.278 molar. And you have to calculate normality also, but in case of normality the formula is number of gram equivalents of solute by volume of solution in liter. In case of normality you require number of gram equivalents of solute. And how we calculate number of gram equivalents of solute? By dividing given mass, which is 5 gram, with equivalent mass. And what is the equivalent mass of NaOH? 40. कैसे आया बाद में बताता हूँ. So this ratio comes out to be again 0.125 gram equivalents. Okay, so put values here. Number of gram equivalents 0.125 gram equivalent divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter same, 450 ml means 0.450 liter. So by this formula you get normality equal to 0.278 normal. Capital N आएगा यहाँ पे. Correct it here. Okay, this will comes out to be capital N. Okay, so also you can also do it by a simple shortcut. You know that normality is equal to molarity into basicity. Last time बताया था last video में. So normality is equal to molarity into basicity. और NaOH की basicity कितनी है? NaOH जब ionize होगा it is going to produce Na positive ion and one OH negative ion. When one molecule of NaOH is getting ionized, it produces one OH negative ion. Means it has basicity 1. Okay, not basicity. Bases are having acidity. यहाँ पे acidity आएगा. Okay, this is having acidity 1. So वैसे भी normality की वैल्यू सेम ही आनी थी molarity के. यहाँ से भी आप निकाल सकते हो by using shortcut. बट अगर आपको ये याद नहीं है तो डायरेक्ट फार्मूला अप्लाई करो. You can also find normality by that formula. Okay, एंड वही ग्राम इक्वलेंट, हमने इक्वलेंट मास कैसे निकाला है NaOH का? मोलर मास को डिवाइड करी है उसकी एसिडिटी से, और एसिडिटी कितनी है? 1, बिकॉज 1 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ NaOH प्रोड्यूस्ड 1 OH नेगेटिव आयन. सो एसिडिटी ऑफ NaOH इज इक्वल टू 1. तो इक्वलेंट मास ऑफ NaOH कितना आ गया? 40. मोलर मास डिवाइडेड बाय एसिडिटी, एसिडिटी कितनी है? 1, 40. ठीक है, और इस केस में मोलारिटी और नॉर्मेलिटी विल बी इक्वल इन मैग्नीट्यूड. ओके, now come to the second numerical. Calculate molarity and molality of 20% aqueous ethanol solution by volume whose density is 0.9 0.960 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. अज्यूम द सॉल्यूशन टू बी आइडल. ओके, अभी आइडल और नॉन आइडल की बात नहीं करते, ये लिखा ना लिखा बराबर ही है हमारे लिए. ठीक है. सो what is given is that there is 20% aqueous solution of ethanol and the density of that solution is 0.960 gram per centimeter cube. 20% aqueous ethanol by volume means that 20 gram of ethanol is there in 100 ml of solution, means 100 ml of solution will have 20 gram of ethanol in it. Okay, so हम मान के चलते हैं, लेट अस टेक 100 ml ऑफ सोल्यूशन. ओके, और उसी को हम एनालाइज कर रहे हैं, हम उसी को एनालाइज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. 100 ml of solution means 0.1 liter of solution. Okay, and this much solution will contain how much ethanol? 20 gram of ethanol. Okay, according to the situation. Clear? So number of moles present in 20 gram of ethanol कितने होंगे? 20 by 46.435 moles. Okay, means if you take 0.1 liter of such solution in which the percentage is given, okay, this solution they are talking about, तो इसके 0.1 लीटर में, क्लियर, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितने निकलेंगे? 0.43 मोल्स. तो मोलैलिटी क्या आ जाएगी? 0.435 मोल्स divided by volume of solution, that is equal to 0.1. This comes out to be 4.35 molar. Okay, so this is the molarity of the aqueous solution. Means if you want to express concentration of this solution in term of molarity, that will be equal to 4.35 molar. Otherwise, if you want to express concentration in terms of percentage, that is equal to 20%. Okay, and secondly, if you want to calculate molality, then what is molality? Number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. Number of moles of solute you already have. Okay, but in 100 ml of solution, how much solvent is there? You need to calculate that. Okay, so first of all, you have to calculate mass of 100 ml of solution, and density of the solution is given, that is equal to this. Okay, so we know that density is equal to mass by volume. You want to calculate mass of the solution, mass will be density into volume. Okay, so mass of 100 ml of solution will be density into volume. What is density? This is the value of density multiply by the volume. कितना volume है? 100 ml, और you can 100 ml को ही सेंटीमीटर क्यूब बोलते हैं. ओके, तो 0.960 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 96 gram. It means 100 ml of solution will have mass equal to 96 gram. Okay, and this much solution, 100 ml of solution, or you can say 96 gram of the solution, contains how much ethanol? 20 gram of ethanol. Okay, then what will be the mass of solvent? 96, which is the mass of solution, minus mass of solute. Solute is ethanol. Solute कितना है? 20 gram. 96 minus 20, this comes out to be 76 gram, or you can say 0.076 kilogram. This is mass of water, and water is the solvent. So mass of solvent comes out to be 0.076 kilogram, and mass of solute you already know, that is equal to 0.435 moles. Just put values in this formula, you will get molality, which comes out to be 5.72 molar. ओके, कई बुक्स में मोलैलिटी और मोलैरिटी का डायरेक्ट शॉर्टकट फार्मूला दिया होता है, बट यू हैव नो नीड टू अप्लाई दैट फार्मूला. ओके, क्लियर, you just simply put logic. Okay, clear, simple put basic formula. By using this basic formula you can also solve that numerical. Okay, so next is third question. The concentration of H2SO4 in a bottled bottle labeled concentrated H2SO4 concentrated sulfuric acid is 18 मोल. मीन्स आप H2SO4 की एक बॉटल लेके आए, उसके ऊपर लिखा था कि इट कंटेन्स 18 मोलर H2SO4. ओके, एंड सोल्यूशन हैज़ डेंसिटी ऑफ 1.84 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. What is the mole fraction and the weight percentage of H2SO4 in this solution? Means you have to express concentration in term of mole fraction and weight percentage, and concentration already given is in the molarity, and also you have given the density of solution. Okay, means you have to change one concentration unit to the another concentration unit. That's it. Okay, molarity is 18 molar and density is 1.84 gram per centimeter cube. मोलैरिटी 18 मोलर को अगर इंटरप्रेट करना हो, what it means, molarity 18 molar means if you take 1 liter of such solution which is having molarity 18 molar, 1 liter means 1000 centimeter cube, then that much solution contains 18 moles of solute, and here solute is H2SO4. So हम मान ही लेते हैं कि we are analyzing 1 liter of such solution. So let us solve numerical by assuming that we have 1 liter of solution to analyze. So if you take 1 liter of such solution, how many number of moles will be there in it? 18 moles of H2SO4. Okay, and mass of 1 liter of H2SO4, मान लो आपने मास भी निकालना है 1 liter H2SO4 का, that will be equal to volume multiply by the density. Okay, and volume is 1 liter H2SO4 means 1000 ml volume, and density is also given, that is 1.84 gram per ml, centimeter cube मैंने बोला, that is equal to ml, and per centimeter cube means per ml cube per ml. So that comes out to be 1000 multiplied by 184 gram per ml. So this comes out to be 1840 gram. Okay, this is the mass of 1 liter of H2SO4. Means if you take 1 liter of H2SO4, 1 liter of H2SO4, that will have 1840 gram in weight. वेट में इतना होगा, वॉल्यूम में 1 लीटर होगा. ओके, सो this much solution contains how much H2SO4? 18 moles of H2SO4, because we know that 1 liter of such solution is containing how much moles? 18 moles of H2SO4. So 1840 gram of the H2SO4 solution contains H2SO4 18 moles. 18 moles means 18 multiplied by 98, that comes out to be 1764 gram. Means mass of water is equal to, तो अब जो सोल्यूशन जिसको हम एनालाइज कर रहे हैं उसमें H2SO4 कितना निकला? अगर उस सोल्यूशन का 1840 ग्राम लो तो उसमें H2SO4 कितना होता है? 1764 ग्राम. तो उसमें से मास ऑफ वाटर कितना होगा? फिर सॉल्यूशन के मास में से H2SO4 का मास माइनस कर दो, दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 76 ग्राम. और 76 ग्राम मीन्स नंबर ऑफ मोल्स में अगर रिप्रेजेंट करना हो वाटर को तो कितना आएगा? 76 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर हैज़ नंबर ऑफ मोल्स गिवन मास by molar mass. This comes out to be 4.2 moles. Okay, so it means mass of water, if you take bottled H2SO4 which they are talking about, then on taking 1840 gram of that much solution contains 1764 gram of H2SO4 and 76 gram of water. Okay, so these are some quantities which we'll need later, which we calculated. So we have to calculate what? Mole fraction and weight percentage. For mole fraction of H2SO4, how you calculate mole fraction of H2SO4? Number of moles of H2SO4 divided by total number of moles. And what is the total number of moles? Number of moles of H2SO4 plus number of moles of water. What is the number of moles of H2SO4? That is 18 moles divided by what is the total number of moles? That will be H2SO4 plus water number of moles. H2SO4 के तो 18 ही है, clear, and number of moles of water कितने हैं? 4.22. This comes out to be total of 22.22. and what is the mole fraction of H2SO4? That comes out to be 18 divided by 22.22, which comes out to be 0.81. Okay, this is the mole fraction of H2SO4. If they want to know also the mole fraction of water, that comes out to be 1 minus mole fraction of H2SO4. This comes out to be 1 minus 0.81 0.19. Okay, that is the mole fraction of water. Okay, next is second, you want to calculate weight percentage of H2SO4. What is the weight percentage of H2SO4? How you calculate it? Weight of H2SO4 divided by total weight of solution into 100. What is the weight of H2SO4? This. What is the total weight of solution? 1840 gram. This. Multiply by 100. That will be the concentration expressed in term of percentage. And this is the concentration in terms of mole fraction of H2SO4. And similarly, this is the concentration given in term of molarity. So this is how you convert one unit into another unit. Okay, so that's it. In next video I will discuss next two numericals.